Hi guys! Today I'm with my friend Allie over there and we're going to make stickers.
Which I'm making one right now.
Yes, it's actually really simple to make a sticker. Let me show you.
Wait, let me get paper and a pencil or something. I'm just gonna make it orange. Don't ask me why. I did it.
Come on, let's just make the video. Missy,
Hold on.
hurry up. Missy,
Hey,
Missy,
finish this
hurry.
so fast.
Okay, so first, it's really simple. All you have to do is first just draw a picture.
Like this.
All right. So she made a beautiful poinsettia.
Yeah.
Is it okay if I don't keep the stem? Because I don't think, actually, never mind. All right, so now
I see a sticker this big. Don't ask me how it was that big.
All right, so I'm going to cut it out.
Dude, don't ruin it.
I'm not. This is actually a really pretty flower.
Yeah, I know. Don't ask me how I learned because I don't even know how I even learned how to do it. I just
I'm bad at making flowers.
Ooh.
I mean, they're okay. You know when you see mine, you know it's a flower. It's just not really pretty.
I'm just gonna draw a tiny flower that I used to draw flowers with.
So I'm cutting it out. It doesn't have to be exactly on the line.
That's how I used to draw flowers.
I can't see anything.
That's horrible.
So I need to keep cutting this out, and hopefully I can
No,
hurry.
you cut off the. Oh, never mind. You didn't cut off the stem. Looks like you did. Got some toilet paper. Then you need some toilet paper, or you can use any
You can
paper
use
towels.
a paper towel.
Yeah, I know, but
do something thin.
Yeah, but definitely don't get a wet paper towel or toilet paper, especially not wet. Boy.
All right. I need you to be calm. That. Give me. All right. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to grab this thing. It's basically just tape, but so just grab some tape, and I'm gonna lay it down here and cut out a little bit of this, but don't cut it out right next to it because of the drawing, because then it won't really stick on the paper. So just make it bigger, like way bigger than the picture.
Some
But
people
also
just
not that big.
like not like this whole.
Yeah, no.
Unless it was like a ginormous sticker.
Yeah, but
Don't make a ginormous sticker, guys.
yeah, that's basically just a waste of paper.
Yeah.
Unless you're gonna use it. But if you're not gonna use it, then it's just a waste. Right, so this should be a good enough size. Maybe even smaller.
Yeah. Wait, show them what it looks like now.
Oh.
Now, before,
But I'm just gonna cut it out
before,
like
and now
this.
let's do the before and after.
Okay. But I also don't want it to be too small either. So I'm gonna keep it like around the size here. We're not editing it. Editing it. Perfect.
Whatever it's called.
Alright, so now I'm gonna peel it off.
Ooh.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Miss. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
I don't know.
Are you like going underwater and you're like and about to go like underwater?
There you go.
Okay. I need this.
Oh, okay. I'm like, okay.
Wait, actually, what if I just use this instead of that? Because I know it unsticks. Okay, where's the...
No, let's just use that.
I'm going to use this.
No, because I don't want that.
No, but then you unstick it and then it'll be fine.
Well, we have to do it on this side. You have to put the flower in that.
I'm bad at putting it... Well, I can put it on. I just have to...
Why did you cut it out so weirdly? Now my flower looks weird.
Wait, let me just cut off this tip, okay? Else you're still going to have a stem. See, it's fine. See?
Yeah.
Give me
For
this.
that reason, it looks better.
Yeah, because I think it looks a little bit better because the stem was like really long.
Okay, I want to make another one.
Wait, I know.
This is
I want to
fun.
show it first. So look, here's
My
there
flower.
it is. So how about I'm not gonna make any, but you are. Well, I'm gonna help you make it though. Wait, I'm gonna show you mine. I'm gonna show them mine. I made 2 others that aren't in here. Guys, don't judge me. I was eating Skittles that day, and I thought, well, it still works. The bag still works, so I can use it for something. So I made, since it's almost Christmas. By the way, Merry Christmas. And it says Merry
Hey,
Christmas
I want to do
sticker.
that. And I want to do a Christmas tree, but I'm not really good at drawing Christmas trees. That's the thing.
You know you can still use this paper and this paper, right?
But I
Instead
don't
of
want to
ripping
make
it.
it tiny. I want to make it like big.
Big.
I want to open this so that I have
No,
a
because this is
hard
my
place.
diary.
That's a diary.
Yeah,
I want so many diaries.
I don't know. Here, I have a chocolate chip cookie. I
I
have
have
a
something hard to put
alligator. I don't have anything hard. I have this little snaky. I also made a bunny and an Easter basket. That's on my
on. I'll
folder.
use the back of this.
Okay. And this little
I
cat
wanna-
picture or sticker. This little horrible seal,
Yeah. I don't know why, but it is horrible.
but it's okay.
Yeah.
So I can draw things that are really good, like that alligator. It's actually a really good alligator.
I use this to spell Merry Christmas. I don't want to spell it right.
Mm.
I
So
know how to
like
spell
I'm
Christmas.
good at drawing a few things, but not everything. Like a seal, I'm not good at drawing a seal, but I can be good at other things. Like this butterfly, I'm good at drawing butterflies because they're cute. A donut.
Not gonna lie, but on this, I think I have better
donut.
handwriting than
Good point.
you.
Except for the end of that.
Yeah, it kind of looks like it's cursive.
Yeah, but that's not how you draw cursive.
I know. I can spell my name in cursive.
Well, technically, I just wanted it to be like that.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway,
Anyway,
we're getting off track a lot.
Yeah.
A unicorn.
why in the world would you get a unicorn?
Because this, like a 4-year-old came over and made me draw a unicorn. That's the only reason.
Oh yeah, what if Maya and Tinsley come over?
Goodness me. And this is
Here's
a
another one.
little piggy. Right. So these are mine. Let me put these away real quick.
I can just use this.
As I said, I made 2 others that I think it was an Easter basket and a rabbit, but I already put it on something, so right, I need to make
Are you
this.
good at drawing Christmas trees?
I'm pretty good at it.
Okay, can you draw me a Christmas tree, please?
First, let me do this.
Okay.
Actually, let me just draw a Christmas tree already.
I'm not good at all at drawing Christmas trees.
This is too fluffy.
Or maybe you could do it on a table. Well, that's pretty good.
And I'll just draw this star.
No, I want you. Okay, well that's a good start. Now I'm gonna decorate the tree.
Because you can never have a Christmas tree not decorated.
Yeah.
I mean, mine even has lights and 3 ornaments. I mean, and you at least need a light and a star. You need a star.
Or
Yeah.
an angel.
Yeah, that was what I was going
We
to say.
don't need one.
Yeah, but I'd say you need one. If you ask me, you need one. So if you want
Yeah.
somebody to say that you don't need one, then don't ask me. Because I'm going to say you need one.
Yeah, I have crazy colors. Don't ask me why I do crazy colors.
Why do you use crazy colors?
I have crazy
Why
colors.
are you using green, purple,
Well,
pink,
green
and
for
brown?
Tree. The trees are green.
True.
Now
Well, why brown? Oh, for the stem.
Yeah, girl.
All right, so I'm gonna stick. Goodness me, I'm gonna stick this thing on.
Yeah, I'm thinking
Sticky. It's nice and sticky. And this other part here from what I'm using. I mean, you could just use like toilet paper or paper towel, as I said before. But since I'm using this as his backing, that I know it's gonna peel off. So, I mean, it would peel off with the other stuff, but I think instead of just throwing this away, I could reuse it, right? And I will throw some of
Now
it
we're gonna do
away,
the
but
pink.
less.
Yeah, these are crazy ornaments and lights. Some of them are lights, some of them are ornaments.
I'm actually gonna make a Christmas tree for myself too, because I haven't made one yet for myself. We really need something hard.
Oh, green.
I know what to use for something hard.
I'll just use
Eh.
this thing.
Don't mind me. I'm just pulling something out from underneath my bed. Yeah. Here.
What in the world?
It's a board. There were more shelves, on the shelf that I have. There were more of them, so I just put it under my bed. All right, so now I'm gonna draw my Christmas tree. Oh, if you don't know how to draw a Christmas tree, I can show you right now. Like her, the people, not you. Okay. Can you hold this? Because I don't know where I'm pointing. I'm gonna do. So you draw like almost a square, but not only 3 sides. Actually, never mind, because it's gonna be easy to do. Draw and you hold it. Just keep drawing, Allie.
Okay.
So I'll do the Christmas. Cut out your Christmas tree. Did you cut it out?
I'm gonna get it. I know I'm not finished with it though. I'm just probably not gonna color my Christmas tree because it looks good. Like, look at that. It looks good.
It actually does.
Yeah.
Wait, you keep these here because we're probably gonna need to color more.
Yeah. I'm just putting them to the side.
I'm only gonna put 2 colors of lights on here and ornaments.
Yeah, I don't really like exactly cutting it out. Well, I'm not really good at cutting it out.
Yeah, just like do around it.
I usually just do it. I'm just gonna cut it out because I just want it to be pretty. Oh my god. Okay, this paper is.
Don't judge my coloring.
Yeah, this one's.
I can do really good at coloring, but right now I don't want to do good.
Yeah, it's probably my practice one. It's not very good.
Is this one good?
Yeah. I really did a practice one. I need some paper because this paper is knocked out. Well, I'll just use this.
And this blue one. I'm almost done, guys. Okay.
I need some more paper.
Here, and here. Okay, now I just need the brown so I can do the bottom part here of the tree.
What in the world? Okay. The bottom of the tree.
All right, perfect. Scissors. I'm gonna cut you guys in half, people. Wait. There, I cut you in half. I'm talking to the viewers.
Okay, here it is. Need some more tape. Yeah. Okay. 4 pieces of paper. That would be able to last.
Allie, you can make some smaller stickers with those. Allie, you have to stop wasting paper. Alright. I have my little Christmas tree right here.
Will you make me a little Christmas tree?
I'll do it later when I'm done making mine here. Ouch! I almost cut myself. Look, I did like this.
That's
Wee!
Wait, can I see it?
So I just did
Oh,
like
okay.
this. Ooh.
Wait, I want to see the Christmas tree.
I'm doing this. I'm sticking it.
Okay, so let me just watch.
Merry Christmas, guys. I'm so excited for Christmas. Aren't you guys? And you, Allie?
Yes.
Who wouldn't be excited for Christmas?
I have no idea. Yeah.
Well, maybe someone who doesn't celebrate Christmas, I guess. Well,
My
maybe
Christmas is definitely not as good as yours.
I can see that. How about you show the viewers your tree.
I'm not good at drawing Christmas trees. I am
I
literally
mean, I can
horrible.
actually tell that it's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just gonna try one more. This one.
I'm done with my Christmas tree sticker. Maybe I'll trim it a little because it's a little big, but that's all right.
Oh, I'm supposed to be going out. Not really.
All right, here's my Christmas tree. Whee! All right. Thanks for the idea of a Christmas tree. Allie, I was like this. I'm like, look, thanks for the idea of a Christmas tree.
Here, can you draw a Christmas tree right there, please?
Okay.
I'm not good at drawing Christmas trees. But I am really good at drawing flowers.
Yeah, especially poinsettias.
Yeah, this one's not colorful. I should have made it colorful.
Colorful. Why are you laughing so hard?
I don't know.
You're just. Sorry, the star's flying. But that's okay. Here.
Good job. There we go. Yeah,
I
you
don't-
can't even see it. I'll draw it better.
Alright.
There we go.
Do you think we should wrap up the video?
Okay.
Alright. Don't forget to subscribe,
Guys,
give a big
big
thumbs
thumbs
up,
up.
hit the bell
Bell
button so you get notified
Okay,
when new
okay,
videos
okay.
come up. Merry Christmas. Bye!